In the misty hills of Coorg, every road seems to lead to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Did you know Coorg isn't just about nature? It's a paradise for coffee lovers? Because here, coffee isn't just a drink, it's culture, it's history, it's emotion. Today, I'm taking you through 5 cafes in Coorg, each with a different story. And trust me, this isn't just a food tour, this is an experience. There are cafes you visit, and then there are cafes you feel. One, the Wheel Cafe is one of those places, tucked quietly in Madikeri. It doesn't try too hard to impress you, and that's exactly why it does. You walk in, soft music, warm lights, and suddenly everything slows down. This is where conversations stretch longer and coffee feels more personal. Why it's special? Known for its calm, cozy vibe, perfect for slow travelers, famous for comfort food and desserts, loved for its peaceful indoor ambience, ideal place to just sit, think, or have deep conversations. Must try pasta, desserts, hot coffee. 2. Ainmanai Cafe, specialty store. Now this is not just a cafe. This is Kodava heritage. Served on a plate, the walls, the design, the vibe, everything here feels rooted in Coorg's culture. And the best part, you're not just a customer here. You feel like a guest in a Kodava home. Why it's special? Deep connection to Kodava culture and heritage. Known for authentic Coorg style products and food. Combines cafe plus specialty store experience. Great place to buy local coffee and spices. From single origin brews to rare civet coffee, this place is pure luxury in a cup. 3. Chimmy's Cafe and Roastery. Some cafes serve coffee, but places like Chimmy's, they craft it. This is where coffee lovers come. Not for selfies, but for the perfect cup, the smell of freshly roasted beans, the sound of brewing, the attention to detail. It's not fast, it's not rushed, and that's exactly the point. Why it's special. Focus on specialty coffee and roasting. Loved by serious coffee enthusiasts. Minimal, clean cafe vibe. Authentic brewing experience. Must try. Pour over coffee, fresh brews. 4. Kimberly Coorg. Right beside Raja's Seat, where tourists come for sunsets, there's a place where the view continues. Inside a cup, Kimberly Cog is not just a cafe, it's an experience hub. Coffee, food, shopping, spices, everything Cog is known for. You'll find it here. It's lively, it's vibrant, and it feels like Cog in one place. Why it's special? Multi experience cafe plus store plus roastery, famous for location near Raja's Seat. Chacha Chashi offers coffee, spices, organic products. One of the most popular tourist stops must try. Desserts, coffee, local products. There are cafes that serve coffee, and then there are cafes that define a place. Big Cup Cafe is one of them, often called the Starbucks of Coorg. This is where modern cafe culture meets local flavor. But here's what makes it different. This isn't just about aesthetics or trends. This is Coorg's coffee, grown here, roasted here, served here. You walk in and there's energy. People talking, coffee brewing, beans roasting. It feels alive. And somewhere between that first sip and the second, you realize this isn't just a cafe stop, it's part of your Coorg experience. Why it's special. In house roasted coffee from Coorg Estates, it one of the most vibrant and lively cafes in Madikeri, known for blending urban cafe culture with local roots. Popular hangout spot for both tourists and locals, must try. Don't miss their Nutella pancakes and hazelnut frappe. And that's the thing about cafes. It's not just about the hills or the views or the weather. It's about moments like these: a cup of coffee, a quiet table, and a story you didn't expect to feel. So, next time you come to Korg, don't just explore the places, explore the cafes, because that's where Korg truly speaks.